everybody, welcome to Science Arena. I am Monica and we are going to start a new topic today. So we are going to do isomerism and isomers. Now forming isomers is generally a challenge for many of the students. So which is why I thought कुछ examples लेके isomers बनाते हैं और सीखते हैं कैसे isomers बनते हैं. I think that should be the best way out. So what is isomerism? Let's see that first. So isomerism is the property of compounds having the same molecular formula but different structural formulae. Alright. Now we will reiterate this fact by taking examples. तभी समझ आएगा कि मैंने क्या बोला. Okay. So it's very important to understand. हम सिर्फ उन्हीं कंपाउंड्स के आइसोमर्स बना सकते हैं जिसमें मिनिमम 4 कार्बन्स हैं. So 4 or more carbons only when present in the compound have isomers. अगर 4 से कम है कार्बन present in the compound, you can't create isomers for them. Alright? So starting with 4 carbons का example, that's the best way out. Example लेते हैं. So the compound with 4 carbons has to be a bute. So let's take a butane. So I have ब्यूटेन हियर. व्हाट इज ब्यूटेन? C4H10. अब इसके आइसोमर्स बनाते हैं. सो पहला आइसोमर स्ट्रेट चेन. ऑलराइट. सो स्टार्टिंग विथ अ C. So 4 C's in a straight chain. Now let us complete the bonds of this compound here. Alright, bonds सारे complete हो गए. So this is what butane is structurally. Right? Now how can I write the condensed structural formula for this? Let me write the condensed structural formula for this. How does it look like? So you have a CH3, a CH2, a CH2 and finally a CH3. अब इस कंपाउंड को क्या नाम दें? What is this compound? What is this compound? So it is a butane. Right? 4 carbons and a straight chain. So it's a butane. If I want to write the common name for this compound, what do I write? What do I write if I have to write down a straight chain का common name? We attach the prefix n. Remember that? So इसमें we can write the prefix n and butane remains as it is. पहला आइसोमर बन गया. सेकंड आइसोमर बनाते हैं. क्या करना है हमें? अब ग्रेजुअली एक कार्बन कम करते हैं. तो मैम तो स्ट्रक्चर ही चेंज हो जाएगा. देखते हैं. तो C C C तो 3 हो गए. फोर्थ वी विल अटैच. नाउ वेयर डू वी अटैच द फोर्थ? कैन वी अटैच इट हियर? नो वी कांट. व्हाई कैन वी नॉट? बिकॉज if I do this, I will still form the same straight chain compound which I had already formed. So they are the same thing. So they are not isomers. They are the same compound. What if I attach it here? So if I attach it here, all right. What if I attach it here? Again it is ruled out because straight chain अभी भी मेरा वही है. Is the same straight chain. So attaching the carbon on the first or the last carbon in the straight chain is never an option. Right? So पहले और last carbon पे we cannot attach any carbon. Alright? So कहाँ attach करें? So this is the only other position left. Let us attach it here. अब इसकी bonding complete करते हैं. Bonding completed. Now what is the condensed structural formula for this? CH3 CH and CH में bonded है ये alkyl group CH3 and finally another CH3 here. So my structural formula is ready. Now what is this compound? What is this compound here? So this methyl group is attached on the second carbon in the longest chain. So longest chain mein there are 3 carbons, and this methyl group, which is the substituent group, is attached on the second carbon. So how do I name it? So my compound is a 2-methyl and it is a propane. Nomenclature अगर नहीं समझ आ रहा है, if you're lost, go back to the previous video wherein I have talked about the nomenclature of alkanes, alkenes and alkynes, and then get back to this concept. You'll be clear about it. Alright? So ये दो isomers बन गए. Now is there a possibility of a third? Can we form a third isomer? Now what if I reduce one more carbon? Is it a possibility? Well, it is not a possibility. Why not? Just check it out. So यहाँ पे हमारे पास 3 कार्बन थे और हमने ये अटैच किया था, करेक्ट. नाउ अगर हम इसे 2 में रिड्यूस कर देते हैं एंड इसे 3 बनाते हैं, इसे 4 बनाते हैं, इट इज स्टिल द सेम कार्बन चेन विच इज स्ट्रेट. सो आई एम बैक टू स्क्वायर वन. So that's the end of the isomers I can form for butane. So butane only has 2 isomers. The first one is N-butane, or IUPAC name being just butane. And what about this? This is supposed to be a 2-methyl propane. So you only have 2 isomers. Alright, let us take another example. किसका example ले? So let us take C5H12. What is this? It's a pentane. So start करते हैं with a straight chain again, once again. So how do I write the straight chain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Bonding complete करो. So this will become CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Right? Now if you are confused about writing this structure, condensed structural formula directly, don't worry. First write the complete structural formula and then maybe you can incorporate this step. Okay, try not to go wrong here, right? If you are confused, do the structural formula first and then write the condensed structural formula. All right, see, your starters, you may take some time to get used to writing it directly. So this is supposed to be what compound? This is a simple pentane. So this is the IUPAC name of this compound. So पहला आइसोमर हमने बना लिया. अब क्या करें? नेक्स्ट बनाते हैं सेकेंड आइसोमर. सो व्हाट इज माय सेकेंड आइसोमर गोइंग टू बी लाइक नाउ? एक कार्बन रिड्यूस करते हैं. नाउ वेयर डू आई अटैच माय फिफ्थ कार्बन? कैन आई अटैच इट हियर? नो. अगेन फिर यही कंपाउंड बन जाएगा. कैन आई अटैच इट हियर? नो. सेम कंपाउंड बन जाएगा. सो अब हमारे पास 2 पोजिशंस रह रहे हैं वेयर आई कैन अटैच इट. सो आइदर आई कैन अटैच इट हियर और आई कैन अटैच इट हियर. करेक्ट? नाउ अटैचिंग इट हियर, हाउ वुड आई नंबर माई कार्बन्स? This would be my longest chain. If I have attached it here, how do I number my carbons? So here also the attachment happens on the second carbon, and in this case also the attachment happens on the same carbon. So these two compounds are the same. So second carbon from the beginning or second carbon from the end, they will form the same compound. So I would either take this or take this. So they are not separate isomers, they are the same isomers. So let us take up this. So if I take this as my isomer, इसको structure को पूरा करते हैं. So what do I have here? So I would have a CH3, a CH, a CH3, a CH2 and a CH3. Right? So bonds are satisfied here. Every carbon having 4 bonds. This is what I have done here. Now how do I name this compound? So this is on the second carbon, the methyl group is on the second carbon. So what is my compound here? 2-methyl, and it is a butane. Correct? Now is there anything else I can form here? Is there any other isomer I can form here? So अब हमारे पास 4 कार्बन्स थे लाइन में. अब हम क्या करते हैं? Let's have 3 carbons in line. Now 4th, 5th is the same compound. The first straight chain compound. I have come back to the same thing. I can't do that. So what do I do now? What I will do is, I have only 1 carbon now which is available for attaching the other 2 carbons now which I need to attach. So I attach it here and I attach it here on the same carbon. This is the only other position which is available. So now if I complete my bonds here, what is the name of this compound? So if you look at this, both the alkyl groups are on the same second carbon here. So what do I write the name as? 2,2 dimethyl. And it is this is the longest chain, so it is a propane. So this is my third isomer. Can I form more? और तो कोई पोजीशन ही नहीं बचा, और कहाँ से बनाएंगे? So pentane has 3 isomers. Yes, pentane has 3 isomers. Now let's draw isomers for hexane. Now ऐसा कोई फॉर्मूला है जिससे हम कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं कितने आइसोमर्स बनेंगे? नहीं, कोई फॉर्मूला नहीं है. सो दिमाग के घोड़े दौड़ाओ और आइसोमर्स बनाओ. या दिस द ओनली ऑप्शन. सो लेट्स क्रिएट आइसोमर्स फॉर C6H14, starting again with the straight chain. So my first isomer is CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. 6 carbons हो गए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what is this? It is a hexane. Second isomer क्या होगा? Second isomer would be, एक कार्बन रिड्यूस कर देते हैं. CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. अब 5 है यहाँ, तो 6 कहाँ अटैच करें? फर्स्ट पे कर नहीं सकते, लास्ट पे कर नहीं सकते. सो बच्चे कौन कौन से? या तो यहाँ कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो यहाँ, नहीं तो यहाँ. नाउ अगर मैं यहाँ अटैच करती हूँ, राइट, it will be the same as if I attach it here, means second from the end. So second from the first or second from the end form the same compound. So either I can form this as the isomer or I can form this as the isomer. I can't form both. तो एक काम करते हैं, इस 6th की अटैचमेंट हम यहाँ कर लेते हैं. So this will become a CH3 now. Yes. So my bonding is complete. Every carbon having 4 bonds. Do not go wrong with this. Be very very careful. So I had a 2 here. The moment I attached a methyl group, I had to do away with 1 hydrogen. Otherwise bonding गड़बड़ हो जाएगी. All right. So now how do I name it? It is a 2-methyl and it is a pentane. Now with 5 carbons in line, can I form more isomers here? So ये जो हमने यहाँ अटैचमेंट करी थी, कैन वी अटैच इट एनीवेयर एल्स ऑन द चेन? यस, देयर इज वन मोर पॉसिबिलिटी. एंड वेयर वुड दैट बी? सो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. इस बार हम सेंटर में अटैच कर देते हैं. सेंटर में तो अटैचमेंट ही नहीं हुई है. सो दिस अ फ्रेश आइसोमर आई हैव. एंड लेट्स कंप्लीट द बॉन्डिंग. CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. खत्म. How do I name it? It's a 3-methyl. It's on the 3rd carbon. So 3-methyl and it is still a pentane. क्लियर? और आइसोमर्स बनाते हैं, बनेंगे और लेट्स सी हाउ. ओके, लेट्स क्रिएट अनदर आइसोमर. सो 3 5 वाला सेट हो गया हमारा. सो लेट अस मूव ऑन टू 4 कार्बन्स इन लाइन नाउ. सो फोर्थ आइसोमर, 1 2 3 4 carbons now. How many more to attach? 2 more, right? So I can attach it. I cannot attach it on the first, I cannot attach it on the last, so I can attach them here, right? So bonding complete करें. CH3 CH CH3 CH CH3 CH3. सारे bonds very carefully हम complete करेंगे. If you are not confident about writing the condensed structural formula directly, please write the structural formula first and then condense it. Okay? Now, how do I name this compound? So, ये भी second carbon पे attached है. This is attached on the third carbon. So, how do I name this compound? 2,3 dimethyl. And it is a butane. Correct? Can we form more isomers? Looks like it. Try करते हैं. 1 2 3 4. दोनों को एक ही पर अटैच कर सकते हैं. सो ये करो या 1 2 3 4 ये करो. Means second from the beginning or second from the end. They are the same compound. So either I can create this as an isomer or I can create this as an isomer. So let us have this bonding complete करें. So this is a CH3 CH3 CH3. This would be a CH2 a CH3. So my bonds are complete here. How do I name this compound? Both the alkyl groups are on the second carbon. So 2,2 dimethyl. And it is a butane. करेक्ट. एक और कार्बन अटैच करते हैं, रिड्यूस करते हैं. कैन वी फॉर्म मोर आइसोमर्स? लेट्स चेक दिस आउट. 1 2 3. फर्स्ट पे कर नहीं सकते, लास्ट पे कर नहीं सकते. सो दिस इज द ओनली पॉसिबल थिंग विच आई कैन डू. नाउ वेयर डज द सिक्स्थ कार्बन गो? So I can't form another isomer. So this is the end of the story. So there are only 5 isomers which hexane has. Correct? So I hope you are able to analyze this कि isomers बनते कैसे हैं. Which is how I wanted to show it to you. Stepwise progressing through the concept. Now CBSE, your task is done. ICSE, you still have more tasks to go through. So because you have 2 different kinds of isomerism to cover here. So isomerism is of 3 types. So you have the chain isomerism, you have the position isomerism and finally the geometrical isomerism. So CBSE का काम खत्म हो गया, बस उतना ही था आपके सिलेबस में बेटा. So you are done, good to go. ICSE, you only have chain isomerism and position isomerism. So अभी तक हमने जितने आइसोमर्स बनाए दे आर ऑल चेन आइसोमर्स. ऑलराइट. सो ये चेन आइसोमर्स होते क्या हैं? नाउ दीज आर चेन आइसोमर्स. सो चेन आइसोमर्स का कॉन्सेप्ट ये है दैट इफ यू वेरी क्लियरली लुक इनटू द काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर्स हियर वी हैव the number of carbons present in the chain is altering or can be altered, but the position of double or triple bond present in the compound does not change. मैम कुछ समझ नहीं आया, तो डबल बॉन्ड ट्रिपल बॉन्ड है ही नहीं, क्या मतलब है? लेट्स टेक एग्जाम्पल्स विच नाउ विल मेक मोर सेंस. ओके, so which slide am I supposed to go to? Well, I'm going to go to this. All right, take a look here. Now if you look at this, if you look at this, sorry, okay, this one. I am going to go to this. Now take a look at the first compound here. Alright. So first compound mein, you have 4 carbons in line and the double bond is present on the first carbon. Right. And if you look at the third compound here, the third compound, that also has 4 carbons but not in the straight chain. So the length of the carbon chain is reduced. You had 4 in line here, you have 3 in line here. So the alteration of the length of carbons in the chain has happened, but the position of the double bond hasn't changed, it is fixed. So they are, under both these cases, the double bond still stands on carbon number 1. So these are together said to be chain isomers. Correct? So chain isomers का क्या concept था? The number of carbons in the chain may change, but the position of the double or the triple bond which is present in the compound does not change. So it was on the first, it is still on the first. Now there is yet another concept of position isomers. ये position isomers क्या होते हैं? Position change होता है isomers का. Position of what change होता है? The position of functional group. So take a look at the first set of examples here. So these are position isomers. So we see that carbon अभी भी 4 है, carbon length अभी भी 4 है. So what has changed? The position of the functional group has changed. In the first case, the functional group OH, which is alcohol, is attached on the second carbon. Here the functional group OH is attached on the first carbon. So the length of the carbon chain has not changed, but the position of the functional group has. Similarly, if you take a look at the second example, the triple bond present in the 2 different compounds here. On the first, on the first chain, the triple bond is present on the second carbon, and here the triple bond is present on the first carbon. The length of the longest chain still is having 5 carbons, so that hasn't changed. But the position of the functional group, here we are talking about the triple bond present, so that has changed. So these are examples of, the pairs are examples of position isomers, and the phenomena is called position isomerism. समझ आया? All right. So we are through with the concept. I hope you have got it, and the more you practice, the better you will be. There is no substitute for practice. So I would love to hear from you. So do write to me in terms of your understanding of the chapter, and will be great connecting with you in the next video to come. If you feel this is working for you, please remember to subscribe so that you get notifications of the future videos to come. Thank you.